Hi guys, today I'll show you how to turn off your Kindle completely or at least put the screen fully off. If you recently bought a Kindle, you may notice one thing. When you quickly press the power button, the Kindle does not fully turn off. It usually goes into sleep mode. In sleep mode, the Kindle screen may still show a cover, screensaver or lock screen. This is normal for Kindle devices because they use an e-ink display. But if you want to turn the screen off fully, there is a separate option for that. So let's see how to do it. First, find the power button on your Kindle. On most Kindle models, the power button is at the bottom of the device. Now press and hold the power button. Keep holding it until a menu appears on the screen. You will usually see options like cancel, restart and screen off. Now tap screen off. That's it. Your Kindle screen will now turn off instead of just showing the sleep screen. Whenever you want to use your Kindle again, just press the power button once. Your Kindle will wake up and start normally. And if you want to turn off the screen again later, just follow the same process. Press and hold the power button. Wait for the menu, tap screen off. One small thing to remember, on most Kindle models, this is not like shutting down a phone or laptop completely. Kindle devices are designed to stay in low power sleep mode and they use very little battery when not in use. But if you don't want the lock screen or screensaver to stay visible, screen off is the option you should use. This is how you can turn off your Kindle screen properly. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. And if your Kindle is draining battery even when not in use, comment your Kindle model. I'll help you check the right setting.